A federal judge in California has put the brakes on the Trump administration's plan to fire thousands of recently hired federal workers. During a hearing in San Francisco on Thursday, U.S. District Judge William Alsup ruled that the U.S. Office of Personnel Management does not have the power to order mass layoffs across federal agencies. He also called out OPM for pressuring agencies to fire probationary employees, those with less than a year on the job, calling them, quote, the lifeblood of our government, who come in at a low level and work their way up. The layoffs have been part of a larger effort by Trump and billionaire Elon Musk, who oversees the Department of Government Efficiency initiative to shrink the federal workforce. OPM had issued a memo in January and an email this week directing agencies to identify and terminate probationary employees who are not considered, quote, mission critical. The Trump administration has maintained that they merely asked agencies to review staff and decide who could be fired, but didn't require terminations. The ruling orders OPM to resend the memo and email and blocks the directive, but Judge Alsup says he can't directly stop federal agencies like the Defense Department from terminating people. He says that's because they're not defendants in the lawsuit, which was brought by unions and nonprofit groups. The White House and the U.S. Department of Justice did not immediately respond to requests for comment. The ruling will remain in effect temporarily, while Alsup considers a legal challenge, arguing that OPM lacks hiring and firing authority.